Hi, I'm Kelly Malone for Connection. The number of devices you need to make an impact is one. That device is the HP EliteBook x360 1030 G4. Designed for success, this notebook PC is ready to help you present your vision. Let's get started. Right away you can feel how nice and solid this is without weighing you down. It also has passed 19 mil spec tests, so you know that this is a really durable device. It has a nice large 13-inch touchscreen so you can get all your work done. And I have to say, I love the ease of conversion that this device offers. With 4 use modes, including notebook, then you can easily transfer right into tablet mode. If you're doing small group collaboration and you want presentation, maybe tent mode will be better suited for that small group collaboration, and that is easy to get into as well. So I had a chance to set up the computer. It took less than 10 minutes. Inside you'll find an 8th gen Intel Core processor, Windows 10, a quick charge battery offering enough power for you to get through your day, along with Wi-Fi, and if you're someone that works remotely, optional LTE connectivity. And if you do work remotely from, let's say, somewhere like an airplane and you want privacy, you won't have to put a filter on this screen because this device has optional built-in HP SureView. With one touch of a button, you have all the privacy that you need. People to the left and right of you won't be able to see what's on your screen. If you want more information on the EliteBook x360 1030 G4, be sure to visit connection.com/HP.